Nakikiusap lang po sa labas.
Okay, Tita Kring, this is Juliana. She works for Mom's staff.
Hi po.
Hi, Juliana. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
What's that you're holding, Juliana?
Hi ma'am, ito po ang Abel Iloco. Hand-wooden cloth po siya nagawa sa Ilocos Norte. And we use cotton and other natural fibers po para sa paggawa ng placemat, bags, para sa mga unan, at kung ano-ano pa po, bags, then and clothes.
Sabi na, I should get some of these from here. Talagang, pampasalubong.
Yeah, definitely,
Perfect.
Tita. Yeah. Kasi
Nice.
ang gaganda ng mga
Love it.
designs. Tsaka
I'm sure
matibay
they
pa
have
siya.
more designs pa, di ba? Available now. Ganda nga, tibay.
Yes po. So, kuha na rin po kayo ma'am.
Yes, so kuha talaga. I'll really bring some
Yes,
for
para
pasalubong.
sa
Definitely, yeah. Ito parang pwede itong gawin skirt. Di
Yes,
ba? Pwede siyang
exactly.
gawin
Or
kurtina.
wrap, or
wrap.
oh,
Di ba?
mantel.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
di ba?
Yeah, oo nga eh. Oo, tinan mo. Laki.
Ito ma'am, maganda rin po siya sa placemat.
Hello, hello! They made it!
Yes!
We're here! Oh my goodness! When did you get here? Alam mo naman, Distrito Ilocos. Thank you so much for making it. They did it. Galing. When did you get here now?
Yeah, just like
We just got here.
Got here
Juliana
now.
was just showing us the
We're
new...
enjoying.
Oh, the Inabel. Ako
Yeah,
nagsha-shopping ng mga
Oo nga,
ali.
totoo.
Ano yan? Pasalubong?
Yeah, kailangan pasalubong talaga na mag-uwi ko. Maraming Inabel. Abel, Ilocos.
Abel. Oo
Yes.
nga. Talaga, magdala kayo kasi it's a lot cheaper here. Talaga naman. When I sit in Makati,
So you can get it
na-iskandalo
in Makati, pero siguro times 3, times 4.
Oo nga, times. And then, plus, it's it's not so matibay. Parang they get the buhaghag.
It's not the,
really
original
sturdy
one. Yeah. It's so sturdy, Grabe to,
Yeah,
Tibay,
matibay yan. It's so matigas
Sobra.
nga. Don't worry,
Yeah.
hindi ka malambot.
Pag nilaban mo, yung
Pag
wash it
nilaban,
down.
talagang
Yeah.
malambot na yan. Si Cara, expert, gusto niya yung puting-puti.
Oo nga daw, may mga different, may pastel daw, may mga
Exactly, there's
white,
different
iba-iba
Order
nice,
ka
even
lang
for
kung-
beddings and
kung
all,
minsan
no?
kasi nagkakamali sa color.
Oo
Kasi
nga, but you
nagiging
can just go
Ilocano
and order,
color
yeah.
kami.
Pero actually,
Alam mo
maganda
naman.
naman mga color. This is nice, the
Oo
blue
nga.
and even
But
the...
sometimes it's so severe.
Oo.
So, kailangan medyo fashion na colorway.
Oo nga.
Pero dapat naggagawa rin tayo for Ilocos.
Oo nga, mag-collaborate tayo. Banig.
Hey, the
Banig with Abel.
The Banig is the winner.
Diba?
Let's make yung bedroom.
Oh, that's
Bedroom
nice.
suite.
Yes.
Full house.
Yeah, that's
Oo,
nice. That's
banig,
nice. Yeah.
Plus kumot,
Perfect.
plus
Yeah,
unan, plus
yeah.
the
Beddings and all. Yeah,
Oo,
pwede.
cute.
Yeah.
It's also a very nice way to advocate Filipino craftsmanship.
Oo, tama yan.
Whole house has
Yes,
fixtures na.
yes.
Ganon.
And then they all look so saucy.
Yeah,
now it's become
super.
saucy. I'm so
It
amazed.
is, it is,
Ginagamit
it is.
na ng mga fashion designers.
Yeah, you can even
Yung
with
friend
what I
ko,
do.
si
Yes,
Inabel.
what I do is when I come to Ilocos, I buy the fabric kasi
Yeah.
yun nga mas affordable siya dito.
Yeah.
And then when I go home, I go to my friend Mitch Aralio.
Yes.
She makes all these very cute designs
Yeah.
for me to
Oh,
wear, but I
nice,
feel like
yeah.
I'm wearing something that was made in Ilocos.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice. And then tell us
plus,
beautiful.
oo nga, because when you buy one kumot, talagang dire-diretso sa pamilya yan eh.
Oo nga. So,
Kasi
para
laking
this will last for
ang laking tulong talaga
maybe
sa
one
bawat
generation,
pamilya.
kaya to,
Dahil
siguro, ang tibay
extra
nito.
income ng mga kababaihan. You know naman, they can't work, di ba? Kasi they
Oo
have to
nga.
make alaga the mga anak.
So,
tapos
they can
may
work
mga
from
lola
home.
pa.
They weave
work
it at
from
home,
They
di ba?
They have it
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
And then, malaking tulong talaga sa mga community of women.
Oh, ang galing-galing
Mga
nga eh.
pinakol and so on.
Yeah.
So, malaking bagay.
Sana we
And
can-
of course, yun nga, sabi mo, yung Filipino heritage,
That's
si
right.
Nana Magdalena Gamayo in Pinili.
She's how old?
She's 96 na yung
Oh my
national.
gosh, National Living Treasure.
Imagine, ang
And
title,
she's
Living
oh,
Treasure.
grabe.
Galing eh.
I need to meet her.
Yeah.
And she's training her young
She's training the younger
relatives
ones.
and kids. And
Because it's dangerous, ah.
Yes, of
When
course, you
one
can
old
lose
lady
that.
goes,
Yeah.
nakalimutan
gone.
na lahat ng
Kailangan,
ganyang
yeah.
design.
Design
may mga
plus
designs
the-
na sinisimplify or
Oo,
kino-commercialize.
yeah.
Not so nice na
Yeah. Yes, it's really so important to pass on talaga traditions to the next generation para di mawala.
Grabe, talaga nawawala na nga, nag-disappear na yung mga ibang design. Pag may isang namatay na lola na marunong mag-weave, wala na, that's it. Sayang.
Yeah, and the other thing is, women are so empowered nowadays, but sometimes it's very hard to find a job, and that's why they end up going abroad, becoming OFW.
Yeah,
diba?
that's right. Kawawa naman, especially if they have little kids.
Yes.
Like
For
you.
me, I'm a young mom with a young little girl. I can't
Full-time
imagine
mommy.
I
having
can't
to
live
be-
in your daughter. Can you
Exactly.
imagine that? Yeah.
So
Yeah,
by
but
passing
kung wala
on,
kang choice,
yun nga. So
kawawa naman.
at least in this way, if you pass on the traditions, it gives the women another opportunity
That's
to
correct.
make
And then
income
they don't
without
have to
leaving.
leave.
That's
Kasi ang
right,
problema
yeah.
namin, talagang dami-daming umaalis, nagiging nurse, nagiging yaya
Sa
sa
buong
iba.
Pilipinas,
ang
actually.
problema, iniiwanan naman yung mga anak. Kaya ang binibigay namin yung lakasa loans. We give small loans, really little loans, so that they can stay. Kahit magbukas lang ng sari-sari store, kahit magbenta lang ng gulay, anything extra, so that they'll stay kahit pa konti-konti. At magandang magpautang sa babae,
Oo
di
nga,
ba?
talaga mas responsible sila. Walang inom, walang,
Yeah,
walang
that's
sugal.
right. Hindi naliligaw before going home,
actually. Sigurado.
Diretso
So,
sa hapagkainan, diretso sa libro. Ang hirap talaga kasi pag migrate sa Ilocos, kitang-kita talaga yung nagiging juvenile delinquent.
Oo, ngayon need talaga.
Kailangan ng guidance counselor, daming problema.
Yes.
So, yun, it's nice, the livelihood for women. Sa Yolanda, marami na bang recovery?
yeah, you know what? Actually, yeah, we're really excited. Sana mag-collaborate tayo ng mga project ng Banig sa
Yeah,
Leyte.
that'd be fun.
Diba, Banig and with the Abel
Tara,
Ilocos.
tara,
Ang
tara,
ganda.
let's
Ano
do
kaya
it.
mga pwedeng mga, di ba,
I'm sure
iba-ibang
maganda
products.
yan.
Yeah.
And we can package them
Maybe
all
bags
together.
and all these
The
different
whole gang.
placemats. And, yeah. Naku, Gov, you're gonna be so busy na. Sobrang busy.
Oo nga, Crane. Rampa ng rampa all over the universe. Nakakapagod kaya. I'm so inaantok, wala na akong boss. Paano ba ito
Nga.
stress?
But no, you shouldn't be stressed. I'm gonna teach you a 10-minute routine
Oh, great!
to relieve your stress.
Ay, type ko yan.
She? Oh my gosh, you sound so millennial.
Millennial. Not really millennial. So trying hard. Ano ba yan? Go, let's see.
Yeah! Yes. Okay, girls, this is my journal. Ito yung ginagawa ko to not to be stressed the whole day. I meditate in the morning. And I list down yung mga things na gagawin ko for the day para hindi ako marattle during the day.
Para hindi mag-panic mode.
Para hindi ako
Parating
mag-panic
ang panic.
mode, di ba? Para, yes, ganyan. Para alam kong gagawin ko, di ba? 1 o'clock, or let's say, early morning, lunchtime, 1 o'clock, hindi ako parang,
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. It's a good way to start the day. Then
Yes.
you're not rattled anymore.
that's right. I actually even do it sometimes the night before. So the next day, I know and I
May preparedness, unlike us.
And then as soon as you wake up, you can do what I do, which is I like to take a super nice long bath. Because when you're in the bathroom,
sarap.
nobody can
I'm gonna try
disturb
that.
you, diba? That's
Yes.
your personal time. You pa, you're always
I've always
answering
seen so many
calls,
people
everyone's looking for you. I'm sure you also,
multitasking.
tita, diba? So when you're in the bathroom, you can play some music, put a nice smelling candle, give yourself a massage on your scalp with a hair treatment. Diba?
Sarap talaga.
Then when you step out, you're fresh, you're ready for the
Bango,
day.
sarap.
Tapos mga lavender scent pa siguro. para
Exactly.
relaxing.
Yeah, pwede. Pero, ay ba talaga yung sa province? Kasi di ba, nami-miss mo rin talaga, di ba, sa province, near the beach,
nga.
kami naman,
Yeah.
sa bundok, di ba? Iba yung simoy ng hangin, so presko. Kaya nami-miss ko and I miss my garden.
Yeah, the
Siyempre,
greens, wow, yeah,
naging
that's so
putol-putol there,
relaxing.
itsura na nagagalit yung derma. But it's so nakaka-relax with all
Yes,
the
wear a hat.
flowers.
Wear your big hat.
Giant hat,
Yeah.
yeah. Never mind if
Big-
you look luka-luka,
Yeah.
okay lang. Okay. And the makeup, how?
Yes. And of course, we're gonna do a makeover.
Yes,
This
we're gonna
other
teach her
one.
1
Oh my
hour.
goodness. What are your products ba?
Well, of course, Kyle, may mga, I think all of us have something that we can't do without in our bags, di ba? In our Kikay kit, inside our handbag. So, ako naman, of course, sunblock, number 1. Concealer.
Does it
and
still work?
Gloss with color. Para pwede na siyang lipstick and pwede na siyang ano.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do then, Tita. I use the lip color for the cheeks na din. Para two in
see
one.
that?
You don't have to bring so many things.
She's
I
got
know,
all
you have
these
to teach us
multitasking
all your
products.
lips.
And I also use the concealer. I don't na put foundation. Kasi uso naman
pwedeng
ngayon yung
masilya
glowing
under the
skin,
eyes.
diba?
Yeah,
Glowing
like that,
skin.
like your
So you
skin.
only put where you need it. And then, yun naman, this is the one tool I cannot leave the house without. It's my little eyelash curler. Look, it's a little
cute, no?
plastic thing.
Ang cute.
So you put
Laruan
down
yata
the
ni
back.
Mia.
Pwede, wala, oo nga,
And then you
cute.
go,
Yeah, galing.
See?
Yeah, but your eyelashes are really curly.
This is the only thing I use. I never wear false lashes.
Yeah.
I just, and then you put it in your pocket.
It's
Galing. Ay, naku, bagay yan sa akin kasi alam mo naman ako, kilay is life.
Yeah.
Kung anong taas ng kilay, yun ang taas ng energy throughout the day. Established na yan. So, kailangan gano'n. Talaga namang kilay. And of course, lipstick eh. Kasi parang nakakabigay
Sa babae,
buhay.
lipstick talaga.
Do you remember nung Yolanda, dyan sa
Yes.
Tacloban, then
Ay.
all the teachers, we asked them, what do you need? Sige, books, bubong, lahat. And then ang ending, ma'am, pahingi ng lipstick.
Oh, yun lang
Parang
pala.
hindi kami
Oo,
mesra
lipstick
pag walang
lang pala.
lipstick. Kawawa naman. May I bring ng lahat ng lipstick. And parang they look like teachers nga, right
diba?
after that. Nakakatuwa.
Yeah. It really makes a big difference.
Yeah, bring color to your life. Ayan
Just
naman.
giving you confidence. That's
right.
it. That's all it is.
Confidence
And you feel
with
good.
grace.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, ito. Pag may makeover ba ang bagets?
Makeover ang bagets.
Kailangan pa ba? Tignan mo, ang
I think-
ganda-ganda ng kilay
I
niya.
think
oh.
Oo nga eh.
I
Ano
think
ba yan? Pakialaman
no
natin.
makeup needed yata siya eh. Yeah, hala, sige. Sige, lagyan natin ng makeup mamaya.
Hello!
Ba, Kaiser,
Naguluhan
dito.
to.
Naku.
Ay, ma.
Wala, nagme-makeover lang kami dito, ma'am. Ikaw talaga. This is Mayor Christina from
Kaiser.
Tacloban,
Nice to meet
my
you.
cousin-in-law. And this is Cara, my daughter-in-law, care of Michael, and our baby, Mia.
nakita
Who's
ko
very
siya.
sweet. How are you? Oh,
I just came to pick up
kumusta?
Cara, and then nakita ko to si Kaiser sa labas.
Oh, ayun na, si feeling anak.
Hindi pa ba? Hindi pa ba?
Hey! Ano, bakit ganyan? Ba't diskumpiyado yung mukha mo? Hindi. Ano nangyari? Nag-away ba kayo? Ano
Hindi
ba?
po. Kasi ma.
Oh.
Sorry. Kasi sa labas, may nag-alok po sa akin na sumali daw ako dun sa Ilocos Norte.
Oh, ano sama ano? Oh, nakakaloka. O, di ba bagay ka talaga? O, ayun. Ano
It's
sama?
not a big deal, di ba?
Oo nga. If you were secure and not nervous, ano naman sama na pagkamalang kang, alam mo na, medyo metro, androgynous, eh di nasa uso ka. Nasa uso ka talaga.
Sorry
Ayun.
Kaiser, alam ko kasi ginawa yung Miss Ilocos Slovakia para talaga magkaroon ng gender equality.
Oh,
So
diba?
kung may gusto kang aminin, you better come out.
Oh, sabi mo. So,
Ginajudge mo ako.
ay, di ka nila-judge. Talaga naman, eh, maganda siyang platform, di ba, Mayor Kling? I'm sure meron
Oo, ang
rin.
Tacloban
Para
talaga.
ipakita
Actually,
talaga.
magandang gawin nga yan, no? Parang Miss Ilocos, Miss Tacloban Kabaki.
Parang it doesn't work.
Diba? Diba? Parang gano'n, para mabigyan ng, of course, chance and platform yung mga ating mga LGBT.
Oo, tapos alam mo, kinakampanya rin namin dyan yung mga AIDS, HIV. Alam mo yun, di mo ayaw mo marinig. Pero mas maganda
Awareness.
presence, awareness. Nakakatuwa nga, may dengbakla pa sa dengbak dyan. Kung ano-ano yung pinasukan namin dyan. Alam mo naman, very creative ang mga
sobra.
Becky. Anything's possible. O, ayan naman. So, why not?
Yes.
Ayan, masaya. O,
Pero hindi
ikaw,
naman
payag
po
ka
ako
na.
homophobic. Hindi naman po ako homophobic.
Mag-judge ka
Hindi
na
lang
lang.
po ako Becky talaga.
Talaga? Ayan, deny to death. Teka muna, why don't you just judge
Baka
na
ano
lang
pa,
yung
hindi ko pa alam. Hindi pa ako sure.
Oh, talaga, ang gulo mo.
Experimenting.
Hala, pinipilit nyo.
Nalilito na tuloy ako.
Why don't you get him na lang next year na mag-judge?
Kailan ba yung Ilocos Slovakia na yan?
ginawa siya ng province ng Ilocos Norte para mabigyan ng platform ang LGBTQ.
QIA.
Ano ba yan? Ang dami na sobrang
That's great.
Creativity nila, galing nila sa performance arts.
It is great. Oo, dapat sa meron kaming Tacloban, Slovakia.
Pwede.
Dapat
Pwede yun, pwede yun, masaya.
mabigyan ng
At saka,
Oo,
oo,
chance
okay
yung mga
siya.
ating mga
And they're so
LGBT.
creative. Anak ko, it's so
Super
masaya.
creative.
And then, ang masaya pa doon, you can use the platform to tell them all about mga HIV. Kasi alam mo naman, problematic rin kami dyan dahil may call center. Tapos ang daming mga OFW nagdadatingan from abroad. Siyempre, we have to watch out for mga HIV AIDS. Naaalala nila lahat yan. Maski, alam mo naman, highly creative ang mga Becky namin. Pati ba naman yun, then back siya, naging then back. O, di ba? Naaalala na ng tao talaga, di ba? So you won't remember, you won't forget na, di ba?
yeah.
Galing. Ayun, kunin mo na nga to.
Kunin mo na ako
Daming
sa-
arte, kunin mo bilang judge
Let's
next
go.
year.
Pwede.
Pag-usapan namin yan.
Yung TF ko din,
ano na?
Gov, no? Meron yan.
Hello, ikaw talaga?
Pero support po ako dyan sa campaign na yan. Gov.
Promise ah. Teka, what do you think? Are you sure hindi ka alam na, Becky?
Ay, naku, ano ka, hindi talaga, Gov.
Hindi nga.
Wait,
Sorry, kuya, sorry,
Okay,
kuya.
papakita ko sa inyo. Go.
Ano yan?
Ano
Ano
ba
yan?
ikaw to?
Ulo, grabe saan mo nakuha yan?
Oh my God!
Oh my God, ang ganda mo, bongga.
Ay, wait lang, walk out ako.
Nakaka-insecure.
I can't unsee.
Grabe, hindi, ano lang yan, marketing strategy namin nung ano ko, yung friend ko. Makeup artist kasi, so.
Talaga. Ako, really? Talaga.